Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can move this address bar or search bar here on your Chrome browser from top to bottom here. To do so, it is quite simple. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, so here I've just opened this search page on my Chrome browser, and I'd like to go ahead and change this address browser or search bar here to the bottom. To do so, it is quite simple. Just go ahead and long press on your search bar like that, and then choose this option, move address bar to bottom. So if you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see you will be searching from bottom here. You can see now you will be able to make searches as well as arrange your tabs on your Google Chrome browser just using the search or address bar at the bottom here. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.